Hi there. So let's talk about what else you can do in Creator Studio after you've done your live stream. And I've just finished live stream. I tick the box and I click. After I've done the video, I want to put some snippets that would entice people to watch. I want to put this phrase across, and I want to make this phrase stand out. So what I do, I click copy, I go to the website, which is lingojam.com/fancy letters. I put it here, but I need to warn you, don't go super fancy, because on mobile some of the fonts won't be readable. So what I want it to be just bold, okay, well as well. Okay, so and you just paste, and as you can see, it stands out because it's bold. And Lingojam is the way how you can do it. So I've done this. Now I'm looking at thumbnail. I'm not sure that Facebook has captured the best moments. And here you can upload your own. But I saw something very funny. Yeah, I will put this one because it's funnier, and you can add image if you want. If you want to do subtitles, it's much easier if you do subtitle through, let's say, rev.com. It will cost you $1 per minute. Or you can sacrifice, I think it's my favorite word for today, your time and do auto-generated, and then edit. You need to go through this and check whether the text is correct, because for most of the time it will be correct, but sometimes it misheard. I had to do some changes, some words were missing, so I click on Save Draft. It's important, otherwise everything will go out of order. So you click Save, and job is done with the caption.